So these are the speed features in SiteGround, and I really want you to take advantage of these overall features that they are offering because SiteGround is really expensive over other hosting provider. So it really makes sense to use it. Okay, we don't want to throw money in here. So anyway, so this speed thing could really help you to expedite your painting, loading issue, and also the CDN part. So he'll cover this one. So I would assume that you are using SiteGround as your hosting provider. Again, this video is specifically for those SiteGround user. Okay, so you need to log into the SiteGround, go to the website menu there, and then go to the site tools. Now, reasons why I am filming this part, like I am featuring the speed area of SiteGround, it's because most of the business owner, like small business owners, use WordPress, and it's really common to see a page builder theme. I mean, the reason why we use page builder is we really don't need to be super technical in adding a features because page builder is just super easy drag and drop. However, the consequence of that is you will encounter a page speed issue, and these speed features in SiteGround can help you to overcome that problem. Okay, so I would assume that you have a SiteGround account, so simply go in this part here called speed menu. In case you cannot see this part, simply click the Control K for Windows or Command K for Mac and type in speed. Now, the speed section has a two parts. There is a super cacher that could help your website loads in the DOM faster. And there's also a Cloudflare CDN. Now, Cloudflare CDN will help your website to load fast in a different server. So let's say your visitors is coming from Philippines and your host is coming from United States, then the Cloudflare CDN will look for the nearest server so I can or the Philippine user will see your website faster. I hope that makes sense. Okay, so let's jump into the super cacher first. Okay, so I'm going to click in the super cacher area, and I highly suggest that you enable this next directory delivery in here to help the DOM process all of your assets. Okay, so when I'm saying DOM part is when you speed, like when I try to inspect the elements in here and type in F5, you'll see this part here that the website is loading. So let's jump into the performance area. So here. So that's basically like it will help, like enabling this one will help your website to load faster into the DOM. Okay. Now the dynamic cache part is more about in the database, like connecting your website into your database. Now, this next part and this dynamic part is kind of relate to each other, like they are connected to each other, and you will need also to enable or download this SG optimizer if you want to have control in this dynamic cache, because like installing this WP SiteGround optimizer plugin will help you just to clear your cache into the WordPress website versus on log into your SiteGround account and just clicking or purging this cache. So I would suggest that you install that one. Actually, I'm going to install it now. So download and go to the website and then go to the plugins area, add, oh, so add, choose file, go to the download, SG super cached, and then activate a plugin. Again, this part will not work if you're not using SiteGround as your hosting provider. Oh, I just forgot. I need to Control K because I deactivated the folder of my WordPress. So WP content, WP cache, Need to remove this, rename it to its right file name, plugins, and we will enable it again and activate that plugin into our backend part of the website. So enable. So I mean, using this part here will help you to purge your website without logging into the SiteGround account. Okay, so recommend this one and recommend this Memcache. Oh, so you need to enable the Memcache first. So go back to the caching area and go to the Memcache and then enable. Now there is kind of disadvantage of the Memcache port. So every time you like download or every time you make changes into your WordPress website, sometimes you can experience problem like seeing the changes that you updated into your WordPress website. So in case you are editing into your WordPress website, just disable this part first because you will encounter some updating issue if you enable this one while you are updating your WordPress website. So just disable that part if you are editing things in your pages into your WordPress website. And if you're done, just enable it back. And since I need to work on the pages, if I just need to disable that part. Okay. Now this other thing called Cloudflare, it is a built-in feature in SiteGround that you can use. Now I don't really recommend to use a built-in Cloudflare feature into a hosting provider because I don't have full control on the settings part. I have a tutorial for the Cloudflare thing. I'm gonna put the link description below. And in case I forgot, please comment down if you want to see that tutorial. But as a get-go, like if you are starting to use Cloudflare, if you're not too tech savvy with that, you can always activate this part. And configuring this built-in Cloudflare CDN in SiteGround is super easy as, signing up. So you just need to click the setup, create an account. If you already have an account yet, connect that one. But if you don't have, you can put in your email address, put your password and all the stuff, click the confirm and next. And really, it's super easy. Like once you're ready, create an account. It will ask you if you want to activate it and want to configure like things in your Cloudflare CDN. But as I said, I don't really like these features because I don't have full control of Cloudflare settings. That's why I don't want to deactivate this. I prefer to use a manual way. But yeah, if you don't want to really overcomplicate yourself, you can always, use the built-in way. So that's it, guys. I hope you find that valuable. And if you have any questions or concern, please don't hesitate to ask and comment down below. Thank you.